the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SNG Comedy.
Let's talk about the new crop of Indian filmmakers before we go back to
Vikram
Hollywood.
Aditya Motwane.
Vikram Motwane, there is Shakun
Ayan
Batra,
Mukherjee, dude.
there is Ayan Mukherjee.
Ayan Mukherjee.
There are these new crop that are telling stories very differently.
Yeah.
So like Kapoor and Sons, I fucking loved Kapoor and Sons, right?
Very well made.
I also liked Piku. Like Shujit is doing some great,
He's damn good.
great.
Yeah. Sujoy Ghosh.
Sujoy Ghosh.
Yeah. Yes.
You know, it's something he's working on. I heard. I don't want to reveal it because apparently, but
Yeah, but Sujay Ghosh has released a bunch of short films, a couple of them.
Ahalya.
The one with
Ahalya.
Radhika Apte was
Was
fucking
kick-ass.
Wow. That was such a nice
so
movie.
this is what's going to happen. If we have to improve, I think this is what Hollywood did is exactly what Bollywood needs to do now. We need to
But are
stop
we
paying.
moving towards stories?
Yeah.
Guess what's going to happen? And I know for a fact that after the three Khans fade, and right now Akshay Kumar also is the top of his game. If the four of them disappear, they're already in their 50s. The next crop cannot do.
But
what
that's
they've
like
done.
6
They
films a
cannot
year,
attract
man.
But
audiences
here's
like
the
they have
thing.
done.
Here's the
So
thing, like-
it has to be storytelling.
Yeah, and storytelling is already it's here.
It's here.
Like I've
Absolutely.
done. Like I mean, like just think about it. Biopics are pure story, and they're here.
Yeah.
The guy who's the weather vane for the industry right now, Salman Khan, is doing story-backed films. Like if you see the last 3 films he's done, they have stories in it. He's not playing bhai, basically.
Like
And that's why Shah Rukh is languishing. Honestly, Shah Rukh's problem is that his stories are really stupid.
Yeah.
So he's really focusing on himself. Where even like he
Yeah,
said,
to the point where
Salman is
Even
doing
Salman
story.
is doing
like,
story.
Like Kick was stupid.
No, but Shah Rukh also did Rais. Rais was also at the
biopic.
outset. It sounds like, oh,
Can
wow,
you-
you have a director who's made Parzania. Fucking very nicely made movie, right? And then he gets this big ticket. He gets to be with a big fucking star. And it tanks.
You know, but
So
this
let me
is
tell you,
where-
I like fully
I'll
tanked.
give you an example of Hollywood. There's a guy called Kevin Smith. Okay, he's directed Jane, Silent Bob Strike Back, the Clerks. Now he's in some good indie films. Okay, he got a chance to do a big budget film with Bruce Willis called Cop Out.
Yeah.
Have you guys heard this movie called
Him
Cop Out?
and Kevin
I
Hart.
didn't see it.
No, it was not Kevin Hart. Tracy
Morgan and Bruce Willis.
It shit movie.
No, so
Tanked. And
Which is the one with the-
Kevin Smith could not deal with the superstar on his set. He whatever he asked, Bruce Willis did whatever he wanted. The problem is directors and when actors get too big for their boots, they do whatever they want.
No, not
Director
just-
doesn't have control
Not
then.
just that. I think like this is a very common phenomena. Like even if you see these other 2 films, right? One is Bombay Velvet. Again, Anurag Kashyap, big money, didn't work. And the one that Dibakar Banerjee did, the detective.
Byomkesh.
Byomkesh. Again, the
Oh, fuck, I forgot Dibakar Banerjee.
Yeah, Banerjee
Yeah,
is
yeah.
great.
Yeah, exactly. And I like
Khosla Ka Ghosla is my favorite.
one of the best comedies.
That's funny.
One of the best comedies.
What of it?
And like I liked Byomkesh Bakshi. I thought the film was really
great
well
film.
made. Like a
great
great film.
treatment, etc. Everything. So talking about stories, I think moving back to Hollywood, Hollywood has some great storytellers. You want to talk about Woody Allen, who's
Yeah, so now here's the thing. I have I mean, and it's probably a writer thing, but I have a like a preference for writer directors. I think
Yes.
they have more of a they just tell better stories. Like
Edgar Wright, yeah,
All of them,
Steven
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Spielberg,
Booty Tang.
Yeah, if you understand the writing process, then because as a writer you're already thinking in scenes. You're already thinking in
Sometimes
shots.
I think it's a disadvantage, personally.
No, but you have Woody Allen, and on the other side, you also have the Coen brothers.
Coen brothers,
And
Brothers.
Coen brothers, I mean, each and every single movie of theirs,
Every film.
everything, like, it's so good, it's so well made. Like, the
Yeah.
Big Lebowski,
Superb.
forever. And it's, what is it about?
And they are, dude. So,
It's insanely
what is
good.
that movie about?
Yeah, so this is something I want to
I
talk
couldn't
about.
stop
Sir, एक
watching
आदमी
the
के ऊपर
movie.
story है, वो ना bathrobe पहन के ऐसे घूमता
But
The
है।
dude, he is the dude.
Acting करेगा सलमान.
उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम dude है। उसका
The
नाम भी
dude.
है।
You know what? But
Salman
look at the themes he's dealing with.
That's the thing.
He's looking at,
Exactly.
He's looking at characters
Yeah.
with PTSD.
That's the
like
thing.
Walter has insane PTSD.
And so funny.
Yeah.
So
Look at
funny.
Fargo, dude.
No, so
Fargo.
that's the point. Like
Or
when
as
you
it's called
when
in
you
India, love के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
Starring Twinkle
Oh,
Khanna.
no.
when you talk about Big
Why?
Lebowski and you say that it doesn't like what is it about? That's the thing about the Coen brothers is that they don't make films about characters and stuff. They make films about themes.
Yes.
So it's a theme driven. And I read this recent article, very cool thing, where it said that the last 8 films that the Coen brothers have made, it's basically only 4 films which they made twice.
And I
Once
agree.
as a tragedy, once
Yeah,
as a comedy.
comedy,
And
yeah.
it's a great analysis.
And you know what? Fargo, if you look at it, season 1, season 2, the TV show,
Yeah.
it's pretty much the same story.
Right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
the same
it is
story.
the same story.
Being told with different characters. And in fact, the way a vicious character scares another character,
But
like a
it's-
gangster. So, for example, having a gangster that's very learned, as opposed to going, Tapori, like gangster.
So-
This guy is learned. He
Coen
knows
brothers do
Shakespeare.
that in writing,
So
yeah.
he'll come and he'll give you words. For example, Tarantino Tarantino did the same thing in with Pulp Fiction.
Pulp
with,
Fiction.
You know, he would recite Bible lines.
Or even our man in Inglorious.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And these guys, that's the thing. They flip the characters.
Javier
even-
Bardem in No Country for
yeah,
Old Men.
yeah, absolutely. So
That's Coen
No,
Brothers.
I think
but
Coen
what about
Brothers-
Guy Ritchie?
Guy Ritchie.
Guy Ritchie
Another thing about the Coen
I've been
Brothers.
trying to bring up Guy Ritchie for a while now.
Coen Brothers, there's another video on Every Frame a Painting about action shot, action shot,
Yeah.
reaction shot, about how they shoot close-ups within the scene. If you get a chance, just watch that because they don't shoot close-ups like they don't do over the shoulders at all. They shoot from here,
Yeah.
or they shoot between the perspective of it. It's a great video to try and explain to you how they do it. So you should
Basically,
Shall
why-
other Guy Ritchie?
Guy
Ritchie.
Ritchie.
Let's do- okay, the Guy Ritchie-
Favorite Guy Ritchie movie. Let's go first. Then we can
Okay.
discuss. Favorite Guy Ritchie movie.
Lock, Stock and Two Smoking
Lock, Stock.
Barrels.
Really?
Or Snatch, either.
Snatch.
No.
Snatch.
Snatch, I couldn't understand what they were
For me,
saying.
Snatch.
That was the best part about it.
He's
was
saying,
I had
get
to
away
watch-
from me, mom.
Snatch. Get off.
No, but I
Mom.
like style and substance.
Yes.
Coming together, like
Dude,
taking
Lock,
back
Stock
from
was-
what
but
Coen
वो
Brothers
9
said.
millimeter में
What
भारी
what
लगा.
what Guy Ritchie
Or Revolver.
even Guy Ritchie has
Revolver,
made.
sorry.
Guy
Same film.
Ritchie has made the same film 6 times. उसने सब निकाल
I
दिया
think
है.
it's just your characters keep changing.
अच्छा,
It's just
so
a
now King
continuing.
Arthur का reboot आ रहा है. They're starting from scratch again. But now Guy Ritchie is directing. Have you guys seen the trailer?
No, you serious?
Fucking
It looks
bomb.
epic.
No
It looks
shit.
epic.
No
I haven't
shit.
seen it. I haven't
Dude,
seen
he fucking makes Sherlock Holmes
Jude
epic,
Law's
dude.
in it too, but Jude Law is not playing the bad guy.
They, even when he, like in the middle after Revolver, basically his Madonna face, where
Yeah,
he just
yeah.
fucked everything
Yeah,
up
yeah,
for himself. औरत ने जिंदगी खराब कर दी उसकी.
क्या था
But
वो
when he
picture?
came back, he came back with Rock and Roller.
Yeah, that was a good movie.
Great movie.
Again a great
That was a good movie.
And
Madonna
the one he
was-
did recently with Henry Cavill and what's his face?
The two spies.
The spies.
Man from Uncle?
Uncle
Man
something
from
from
Uncle.
Uncle.
Man from Uncle.
Man from Uncle, yes. I think Madonna was Guy Ritchie, Sangeeta Bijlani.
But who is... So
So I
Sangeeta...
was saying Salman is
Azhar,
Guy Ritchie or
I think he's talking about Azhar.
Azhar is Guy Ritchie. Azhar is Guy Ritchie.
This other thing about like filmmakers making the same film again and again, like Wes Anderson is one of them. Again.
Wes Anderson.
But the thing is, you know, I was reading this thing about Woody Allen. Woody Allen's again like same, like about like every 3 films is the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so if
You
you,
know,
see it,
I have to
He's
ask though, Woody
genuinely
Allen...
human relation.
But here's the thing, Woody Allen in his... I would never buy his films because I would like, no woman could be attracted to this man.
I mean, yeah,
I always felt like,
agree.
what is about this?
I mean, you would not buy it as a producer, as a
No, as a
distributor.
viewer, he's like,
No, as a woman would not fall in love with this man. And I had the same problem with
Hey,
Josh.
women
Josh-
can fall in love with Himesh in his videos. They can
Yeah.
fucking
Chalega,
fall
हाँ.
in love.
The thing I was talking about was that because these directors, right, again they're dealing with themes. Like I want to explore the breakdown of a relationship and I'll do it over 3 films.
Correct.
So अगर same भी है but कुछ अलग
Any
मैं बोल
hallmark
रहा हूँ.
it should.
Also called
Mixed
Imtiaz
doubles.
Ali.
Also got
Imtiaz Ali.
भाई अरे तेरे को प्यार है नहीं प्यार नहीं है प्यार नहीं है हाँ नहीं है हम लोग सेपरेट होते हैं ओके ट्रेन में वापस आके तू वापस आके तेरे को प्यार है हाँ मुझे प्यार है
Really
ओके
disappointing Imtiaz Ali type of guy, Shad Ali.
yeah.
एक मिनट शाद अली कैन
I-
ओनली डायरेक्ट एज लॉन्ग एज
Satya.
ही इज कॉपिंग मनी रत्नम थिंग
Yeah.
जैसे मनी रत्नम को तू हटा दो शाद अली अरे मैं क्या करूं झूम बराबर झूम बनाता हूं
No, Satya was great. Too.
because it is Alay Payute
You know, yeah. So-
if
so,
you
you know-
take that out of the equation it's a fuck all movie
Going
You can't
back
make
to
it.
themes, you know, so like a lot of directors have started doing trilogies. Edgar Wright did one with the Cornetto trilogy, and even the guy who made I forget his name, the Korean guy who directed Old Boy. Old Boy is actually the second movie in a series of 3 movies,
three about revenge
revenge based.
Yeah.
The problem with Shad Ali is the problem I have with Kashyap. I think that Kashyap, if he's handed material, he does a great job with it. Like if it's a story that already exists with a closure and a third act, I think. he
Yeah,
does a
otherwise
great
it's
job.
girl in the yellow boots.
Otherwise, it's just all over the place because I don't think there's a closure to it. But there's another filmmaker, and the jury's out on this guy, Nagesh Kukunur, who sort of came in and tried
No,
to
एक Rockford
change.
यार
Rockford,
No,
oh.
Hyderabad
One.
Blues.
Hyderabad Blues.
Hyderabad Blues
Iqbal.
okay.
Deeware.
You know, a good director, honestly, when he finishes the movie and the movie releases, a lot of effort has gone into it. Like it takes a lot of energy, sucks a lot of life out of you. Good directors. Not talking about Sajid Khan who just comes and farts for 5 days and leaves. You know, like I'm talking about
three not five
but so that's why
This
directors.
is not about Sajid Khan's weight. It's about his intellect. So that's the farting. We are not.
No,
fat
so
shaming.
I think direction is you're the captain of the ship. Everyone agree. You are the person ultimately responsible for everything. All the producers giving you
Like okay, so that's what they say when you're doing a play. It's the actor who's like it's out of your control. It's in the actor's control. In a movie, it's
a
the director.
Yeah. So so good directors. The reason why I think they only do 1, 2, 3 movies and are very difficult for them to consistently do movies is because at the end of it you're exhausted.
Yeah, it takes too much.
You know, and I don't see that. Theme.
Which is,
Living for
I think,
4
which is
years,
why
3 years.
they also stick to the same genre and the same type, because they're like, oh,
I
for
know
me
this.
to just learn like how to do a comedy from scratch, I'd
Yeah.
rather just make that love story. But abhi
But
ladki
then-
aapai chase
and,
mein.
and we haven't even
Scorsese.
covered the direction of animation movies. Today, animation movies are the storytelling is superlative.
Like Up. Let's start with Up.
Any of them.
Up, Frozen,
Wow. Take
Finding
How to
Nemo.
Train a Dragon. Take
How
any
to Train a
concept.
Dragon, what a
Inside
movie.
Out. These movies have been directed by not big names.
Monsters Incorporated.
Because you need 5 years of your time dedicated, but the end result. What I'm saying is, if you give them time,
Andrew
you-
Stanton. He's one.
Yes.
He's the Finding Nemo director.
Yeah.
And he's there's a talk he's given on a TED talk about storytelling, and it's one of the best. And like it's the same thing. It's about like them identifying. Like it's not just putting out a film that will will amuse you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a film that will just
Like
also.
Up, I don't think is a film that kids can enjoy to its fullest, because that concept of death,
Death.
that
Yeah.
initial
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
montage that they
Yeah,
do
yeah.
with that piano piece in the back is fucking cinema.
It's the saddest 10 minutes.
It's
The opening is so
cinema.
sad.
It's gorgeous cinema. It's
But what
brilliant.
about filmmakers not from India or the US? Like
Like the Park guys.
International.
Yeah, like
Like
Pedro Almodovar.
Almodovar is
Nice,
one.
very good.
What a guy.
The
Cuarón.
I mean, now he's moved to thing, but Amaros Esperos wala.
Oh,
He's
Same-
Parsi.
What's his name? Amaras Peras.
The guy who did Birdman, क्या नाम है उसका?
Oh.
Alphonse, no.
No, not
Alfonso
Alejandro
Alejandro
Inarritu.
Gonzalez Inarritu.
Inarritu.
Yeah.
Inarritu.
Stanley
Babel,
Kubrick.
man.
Anyone?
Kubrick is
Kubrick.
very good.
Like back in the day when I was in film school,
Kubrick was really great at the abstract, right? Like I really like this.
dude, Clockwork Orange.
Yeah.
Like you're just looking at it like,
Yeah, but even
Yeah.
that
And
is
I-
abstract.
I
But
think-
Eyes Wide Shut, his last
क्या?
film.
Yes.
क्या film है
dude,
वो?
मैं तो डर गया।
2001 Space Odyssey.
मैं तो डर गया देख के, honestly.
Eyes Wide
Shut
Shut
was
was
realistic
fucking
for the
freaked-
time it was
freaked me
made.
out, dude. I was-
Eyes Wide
2001.
Shut, which was his last film, it's mad.
Hitchcock is like everyone, हाँ ये लो Bible है. अभी उसका
See,
बना.
क्या हो गया? We are at that age now. Those directors, Kubrick and Hitchcock, our parents' generation really enjoyed them at their prime, right? We are sort of.
We are looking back at
No,
And
but
also-
you know what else happens with great directors is that directors coming after them bastardize their own techniques. Like they'll take their techniques. Like to see the scene from Psycho, the stabbing one.
Yeah.
When it was released, would have been so different because today we've taken those techniques.
like Shakespeare.
It's the first
It's like
time a
Shakespeare's plots.
toilet was shown on screen. Up till that point, a toilet flushing had never been shown on film.
So there was.
that's a piece
So
of
there's
trivia.
Hitchcock.
That's Hitchcock.
So there's Hitchcock, who's great. Speaking of directors outside of Hollywood, etc. That
Who's the guy who made fucking Bicycle Thief? क्या है वो Italian का नाम?
Roberto Benigni.
Benigni.
Roberto Benigni.
Roberto Benigni made Life is Beautiful. No.
Life is Beautiful.
Yeah.
Dude, that's
He won Best
Not
Actor for
Bicycle
it.
Thief.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Bicycle
Yeah.
Thief.
He made Life is Beautiful. Another guy, an old guy that I like, black and white era, Kurosawa.
Akira, of course.
Akira.
Tokyo
Yeah.
Story, dude.
Yeah, Tokyo or Rashomon. Like his adaptation.
Yeah, Rashomon is better.
Rashomon. Oh my god, it's mad.
French
Kurosawa
movie.
had that the shooting blood out, right?
Yes.
So when you hit somebody,
Again, Tarantino. Yeah,
Tarantino took an
heavy
ripped it
influence.
off.
So there's him,
Then-
and there's that dude who did अपना Russian fellow, the Battleship Potemkin guy.
उसका नाम में एक 0 एक 5 है.
हाँ.
Hey, ऐसा zero- एक ऐसा zero
एक
slash
yen
लगा
और
है।
dollar है.
Null- zero के अंदर एक
null
cross
sign,
है.
null sign.
Yeah.
But okay, one question. Every person we've named today is a guy. Is that what do you guys think? Is it
Catherine
Catherine
Bigelow.
Bigelow.
Catherine Bigelow, yeah.
नहीं, but genuinely because in fact India में if you think
Meghna
By the way,
Gulzar.
Catherine Bigelow
Gauri-
made
Gauri
a
Shinde.
kick-ass.
Why
Tanuja
is there-
Chandra,
Gauri Shinde.
Gauri Shinde is good.
the first 3 movies that she made, phenomenal. Although Chapesh,
Yeah.
Postman Rings Twice, Silence of the Lambs, and which was the other one? I forget the third one. Really well made. Like at that point in time, you didn't know that they were Chaped.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a good question. Why?
so
Why?
your heart
why-
breaks.
Why is it 95% men, 5% women?
Yeah,
what is the
Honestly,
reason?
don't know, but Meghna Gulzar is a great.
No, but why do you think? Is it?
Zoya Akhtar, dude.
Zoya
Vishal
Akhtar.
Bhardwaj, we forgot about him, but it's okay. Huh?
Yeah.
But,
I
sorry.
think after
Yeah, so that's
Rangoon,
a
we
good
can forget about
question.
him.
Not just Rangoon, even that Matru ki Bijli ka Mandal.
You know, I like that.
After that. But let's answer this question. Why women? Why less women or whatever it is?
I don't know.
There's
I don't
people
know.
like, okay, Meera Nair, but again, not
No, but
Indian,
it's
Indian
like not
based.
just naming them is not the like.
Why?
Is there
Why?
something systemically that is like?
Of course it is.
We don't
There
wanna,
is systemic.
Of course,
it
it's
is.
big. So a lot of research done by Hollywood studios, and they found out that 70% of the audience that goes to watch are men. Right then they made the call. Basically, we want content should be created. Movies should be created for men. If you look at it, it's largely for men. Women, the movies for women get a very small release. They'll get 1,000 screens. They'll get that Khaleesi chick, the one.
Emilia Clarke.
She's done a couple
Emilia
movies
Clarke.
now. Have you guys heard of these movies? She's done 2 movies,
Yeah.
but they're chick flicks.
Yeah.
We won't even hear about them.
The other reason, I mean, it is, of course, it is a systemic problem, but I'm saying it's stuff like this, like at the Oscars when Avatar lost
To Catherine Bigelow, yeah.
Catherine
उसकी बीवी से ex बीवी से
ex-बीवी
हारे
से-
कैथरीन बिगलो एक तो हॉर मूवी फैनेटिक वॉर मूवी बोल रहा हॉर मूवी
Is it a movie?
हो रहा क्या है?
Just because he's talking about a female director.
No, but
Fumi.
she made Zero Dark 30 and then
Yeah.
she made Hurt Locker. Right? 2 movies like at the outset you wouldn't think that a girl
This
has
is the
made
problem,
it.
I think. Why?
You
That-
think that a woman, but
They
like
were
even,
that
because you
till-
feel like
till the
masculine
title came
stories.
on, you would not know.
no, but even J.K. Rowling when she was releasing the book, they changed her name to J.K. Rowling. They didn't want her first name there.
Yeah.
Because
Really?
boys
Yeah.
wouldn't buy the
Really?
book.
Absolutely. I didn't know
Boys
this,
wouldn't
right?
buy the book.
Oh, I didn't know.
So
By a
what's
female
that
writer.
saying? What's that saying is that it's like this. If you walk into you're taking a flight and you walk in, look at the cockpit and you see 2 women sitting there. For a second you'll be like, अरे
अबे यार ये रिवर्स
कोई और चला सकता
ये
है क्या?
पार्किंग
कोई
कैसे
और-
करेगी?
नहीं तू
उड़ा तो लेगी लेकिन चलाएगा कैसे?
You're making that
inherent
face.
deep
You're
seated
making that
problem.
face.
Of course we'll do a joke.
No, we're not. But for a second we'll be like, okay, fine. You know,
No one does that.
You'll compute in your head for a fraction. You'll be like, am I okay with this? And then you convince yourself you are okay with this.
I
No,
see a
I do a
female.
joke out of
Honestly,
a video,
I
man.
see a
Come
female
on.
pilot. I see. Oh,
I'll say
fuck.
उड़ा तो
This
लेगी
is
ठीक है, लेकिन
badass.
पार्किंग कैसे करेगी?
She's
Like,
a-
do
she's
some shit
badass.
joke
I see
like
a
that.
female
Okay,
pilot.
you
I
know
say
what? When we talk
badass.
about female director, I'm saying, what about actor directors?
That's an interesting one.
So
like-
had
Mel Gibson.
Mel fucking Gibson, Clint
Gibson.
Eastwood,
Clint
man.
Eastwood.
Eastwood.
Clint
Allen,
Eastwood
he's nailed it.
will, I think, till the time he's 140, he's
will
going to
direct.
kill it.
He will direct.
He and kill it.
Yeah,
not
because
just direct.
earlier he was doing trash films,
Oh,
but
dude.
from the bridges of Madison County.
No,
to
I think
American
$1 Million Baby.
Sniper,
That
I
movie.
love.
That
Oh, by the
movie,
way,
sorry.
do you know that
$1
Million
Baby.
Dollar Baby? The piano at the back, the background is
Is him.
Clint
It's
Eastwood playing
What?
himself.
Shit. What?
Yeah,
It's
he's
him.
also music. In that movie, he's done
In that
everything.
movie, he's done
He's done
everything.
everything. वो editor है, वो lightsman है, वो उसने खाना भी
Yo,
बनाया.
there you have Clint
Caterer भी
Eastwood,
हो
who has done
Basically-
everything, and here you have MSG.
Yeah.
उसने भी सब किया है. उन लोग शायद same age
But
के
MSG
भी
has
हैं.
done one thing more than Clint Eastwood. He's also the only guy in the movie theater watching.
Watching
his own movie.
But even like Gran Torino,
ये है
man.
मेरा
Yeah,
black
yeah.
money.
You know,
ये है.
Gran Torino, that
What a
last
movie.
sequence. Okay, when he's outside the fucking guy's house and he does this, and you're like, oh fuck, gun निकालने में they shoot him. लेकिन वो मैं अपना lighter निकाला था. Wow, dude! Like you would never think that the movie would end like
but
that.
I'm saying even
because
Sully-
wait, because if this was adapted to Hindi, और अमित जी होते उधर, अमित जी जाके गाड़ मार देता सबको.
50 करोड़ लोगों
गोली
की.
वोली मार के, he would not die.
It would be
He
the-
would not die.
It would be the end of Django.
हाँ, basically.
Pick पकड़
बट
के.
गाइस इतना हम लोगों ने बात की, हम लोगों ने फ्रांसिस फोर्ड कोपला के बारे में बात ही नहीं
Coppola,
की.
yes.
मतलब
Apocalypse.
क्या किया आदमी ने?
Godfather.
Oh, superb है.
Apocalypse.
Godfather
मेरे तो
Apocalypse.
when I watched Apocalypse, I was like, first of all, I don't know who man. I had never seen
Dude,
Godfather,
that
so I
first
didn't know
shot.
who Marlon Brando was.
That first shot of Vietnam,
Oh, yeah.
you see the
Yeah.
With-
you see the
This is
fan.
the end.
Oh wow, dude!
only
Like
friend.
Doors,
The end.
Doors,
Yeah.
one of the favorite directors, and an epic soundtrack.
Yeah, you know,
Dude, it is just
you know what
and
sucks?
being
You know what
dripping
sucks?
in
All
cool,
this thing
nah.
you're talking
Such a
about, all of
fucking
this
cool
was
place.
copied by Kong. All these moments, the way the
Yeah,
new movie
yeah.
Kong, they copied this.
Who directed the?
I don't know, but some hack has copied all this shit. It's so pissing off to sit there and watch, and I know exactly
This
what
is
he's
what
doing.
I'm saying.
And also, guys,
Francis Ford Coppola's daughter.
Sophia, yeah,
Sofia
Lost in
Coppola,
Translation.
Lost in Translation.
Very good
What a
film.
great.
Okay, guys, what does she say at the end of the movie? What does she say?
She said to Bill Murray in the ear.
What does she say to Bill Murray at the end of the movie?
What does she say?
Hey,
I'm
chutiya,
asking.
everybody knows.
यही बोला था.
ए घर जा चूतिया.
ए घर जा यार, पिक्चर खत्म है.
What does she say? It's like the coin. Was it a dream or not?
Exactly.
That's crazy though.
I have a question, which is that do you have a guilty pleasure director? Like someone who just makes trash but you love it?
Priyadarshan.
Priyadarshan.
So I'll tell you who's the, so I think the worst director is the kind of director that makes bad movies that make money. Because he feels validated, and that's for that
That's
reason.
a, yeah, dangerous
Karan
director.
Johar is my pick for the worst director who makes really terrible movies, but the movies make money. So for him, it's validation.
Not Suraj Barjatya.
Do his movies make money?
Fuck. What is wrong with you?
Today?
हम आपके हैं कौन?
No,
today.
right now,
Today,
buddy.
man.
What did he make
Bro,
his last
today.
film? What was his last?
Viva.
film?
No,
नहीं नहीं
no,
अभी
just
सलमान
like
खान
it is.
प्रेम रतन
Okay,
बंधन
okay,
भाई.
that was Salman doing him a favor because
Yeah.
the guys are down the dumps.
But I'm just saying it made money. Prem Ratan made a lot of money.
It is Salman saying thank you for मैंने प्यार किया.
मैंने प्यार किया हम आपके
That's what's happening.
अभी ये
साथ
लो.
साथ
Suraj
साथ है.
Barjatya's career graph is basically his life. So मैंने प्यार किया was when he was falling in
Suraj
love.
Barjatya was the original wedding filmer.
Yeah. He's like, you know what? I'll do the wedding without the wedding.
He's
So
like,
no.
मैं 3 घंटे के लिए बना था.
You know this? Someone I know saw Suraj Barjatya in a restaurant with a whole group of aunties, like 50-year-old aunties. And I swear, the joke that they told me was he was with his focus group. It was such a great joke. I was like, holy shit. But if you follow Suraj Barjatya's life, it's that. So when he was falling in love, he did Maine Pyar Kiya. Then he did Hum Aapke Hain Kaun when he was about to get married. Okay. Then it was Hum Saath Saath Hain, which is after
marriage.
Then Vivah when you cheat on someone. Then there was that other Abhishek Bachchan, Main Prem Ki Diwani Hu.
That's not him.
That was the worst film
that
ever
him?
made.
No, that's him with the
that's
parrot.
actually
With the
the
parrot.
worst film ever made.
With the cartoon parrot and whatnot.
Where they
no?
tried to pass off New Zealand as Sundar Nagar.
Yeah.
It's just, it get really annoying. Why can't you let a place
Nagar.
be a place?
I don't think we can do bad directors in this podcast.
No,
I don't
that's
think-
a separate
Yeah.
podcast.
Do another one.
Because I have so much of angst against lots of people in Bollywood, especially
Including Casey
Bollywood.
Bogadia.
Casey
Casey
Okay,
Bogart
so
is
I
cool,
think,
dude.
I think we
Casey
pretty
Bogart
much
is cool.
covered. Oh, before we go, Peter fucking Jackson, guys.
Oh yeah,
Peter Jackson.
I learnt everything like as far as
Andar
this,
tha iske.
yeah, dude, fuck. Okay, so
learned?
I read Lord of the Rings before I saw the movie.
Kitne page?
Huh? I read it twice. I didn't. My so
पहले बार
14
समझा नहीं क्या तेरे को?
2 बार पढ़ना पड़ा. पहले नहीं समझा था because I was genuinely trying to understand the Elvis. Then I used to go and translate.
Character in your head.
Dude, fuck. And then Peter Jackson nailed that movie as far as like when I saw the movie and क्या हो रहा था?
In 19 parts of
In
4
the
hours
third-
each.
In the third movie, I'm sitting in the theater and I'm like this because Return of the King was my favorite part. मैं बैठा हूँ देख रहा हूँ and क्या हो रहा है? It had multiple endings. So every time it would go like ऐसे blackout या whiteout होता था and then it would come to another scene. The whole theater would go.
You know what pisses me about Lord of the Rings?
Oscar
though?
जीता.
Yeah, dude, 13 Oscars. Why?
वो
Because
तो होना ही
there's
था.
250 pages after they destroy the ring about how Middle Earth comes back to normal, like in detail. And this
मतलब
guy nailed it
टोलकिन
in 10
क्या
minutes.
अच्छा खत्म हो गया सर आपने 4 लाख पेज लिखे नहीं रोको
No, but the problem
थोड़ा
is-
edit
the
करना
problem with the
पड़ेगा.
entire-
बाकी है.
The problem with the entire anthology is my grief is that it's always about like a bunch of people in front of a forest going, oh, we have to go in that forest? Yeah, shit. That's the whole series of Lord of the Rings.
Someone please make this supercut if you can. Please make this be awesome.
No, but why it was brilliant was the way he shot Lord of the Rings. It was like he would sit in front of all those screens. Now you would say like Quentin Tarantino stands and watches the scene. This guy didn't have that luxury. There are multiple sets happening. For 2 years, these guys have shot continuously. There would be times where he's seeing something wrong on a screen. This guy would get on a cycle, go to that set and tell the actors, "Ye galat chal raha hai." Fix them, then come back and sit on the screens and watch all the tapes all over again.
It's actually like Lord of the Rings is like a fanboy's ultimate homage
Yeah.
to
It
what
was
he loves.
to fantasy.
Like
Yeah,
his
मतलब वो
kids.
he's that's all he's done.
इसके बच्चे जब
Literally,
like, my
after that, what did he
children
do?
have
He
seen
did-
me do nothing
He did
else.
fucking King Kong. Where the only coolest thing about that was King Kong facing off against T-Rex, which was fucking
Really-
banger.
Which was pretty
cool,
killer.
Really cool person we've left out, and we should just mention it, and then we can wrap up if we need to. George Lucas and the Star
Yeah.
Wars trilogy.
Oh
And
yes,
Yes.
I can't believe we didn't mention
Yeah,
him.
George Lucas.
We'll talk
is,
about him in detail.
We should talk about it. There's one part of Hollywood films that I think Bollywood hasn't been able to replicate really well, and that is original soundtracks. The soundtracks and how important the original
John Williams.
soundtracks
Wait,
are.
you mean Bollywood doesn't do original soundtracks?
No, we don't do. We don't do BGMs. We don't do background scores. That
No, of course you do.
No, 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 no.
Ranjit Barot ने career कैसे
or
बनाया अपना?
Sandeep Chauta. That
हाँ,
also I
तो-
know. But the point is not. What I'm trying to say is the way
Iconic
John
ones.
Williams or
Trent
even
Reznor or
any of
No,
these
it's like
guys.
you're
had
talking
to
about
Hans
theme
Zimmer.
songs, right?
Hans Zimmer,
Like
man.
T2 का theme songs, you remember that?
Oh, I'll tell you another trivia. What is that? T2, right? Please go and check out Mohra.
Yeah.
उसका वो भी same था. Same
You
था.
know, copying, when you copy something like that, you plagiarize something like that, it says two things. One is that you obviously don't have the ability, but second, you think that the audience is chutias.
Yeah.
No, but
That's
you know,
what the-
I
and
think
that's
the
what pisses me
problem
off.
was in the 90s also, and Adar used to tell us, has
Yeah.
told me this, that in the 90s a lot of directors and producers would come and say, ye copy kar.
Huh.
So-
And nobody predicted that the internet would have fucked them up.
Yeah.
20 years
Yeah,
ago.
though nobody knew. अरे
they would just
अमेरिका
say,
कौन
"ये
सुनेगा?
copy कर."
Yeah.
Also, like interesting thing about Dark Knight, Christopher Nolan sat with Hans Zimmer. Apparently he was on Inception. Why they've taken that America Australia flight. Nolan was on that America Australia flight. Was just Sydney where they do that Inception the actual flight on which they're. So he was on that flight. Nolan was on that flight, and he told Hans Zimmer, "I need a soundtrack for the Joker." And this guy gave him 100 different options.
on that flight.
On that flight, he says that was the most harrowing flight of my life because this guy had given me 100. Now understand, it's the Joker soundtrack. It's like I'm listening to the worst music possible on that flight, and he ended up with that one cello sound, which is this one note, just extended. That's what he ended up with.
But my favorite villain. We should do a villains podcast too.
Yeah.
Favorite villains.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
I think we've.
So guys, there must be a lot of directors we have missed out because obviously this is a limited podcast. We've already
Podcast.
We've already
Podcast.
overshot
Wow.
the Fumi's episode.
Surprisingly, this was the only podcast we did tongue twisters before actually starting, and this is the one we fucked up the most.
But yeah, so
Wait,
we
but
know-
before we go, you guys, I'm putting everyone on the spot. Pick a director, and we can close the curtain.
Tarantino.
No way, dude.
Is that Tarantino? Picker.
No way.
मैंने तो Edgar Wright pick किया
I
है.
can't
Woody
pick.
Allen.
Woody Allen.
I can't pick.
अरे हाँ. Pick it.
Fucking pick
David
one.
Fincher, who we didn't talk about.
We
Oh,
will,
you
yeah.
guys only missed
Fincher,
it.
Fincher.
David Fincher, who is
It's okay, just watch it.
unbelievable.
Christopher Nolan.
Nolan.
Chalo.
Who's the guy who made Batman? The
Tim Burton.
Tim Burton.
Ah,
Oh yeah,
Oh.
fuck, we didn't talk about Tim Burton.
Arey,
It's okay,
dude,
it's okay.
Too many.
Okay,
There's
okay,
too many.
okay, okay, okay,
There's too
Joel
many.
Schumacher and the rest of them.
And the Wachowski brothers.
And the
Oh, yeah.
Wachowski brothers.
Wachowski brothers.
Okay, anyway.
So guys, I'm sure
Other
we've missed
sisters.
out a whole lot of directors and movies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we're sorry about that. But we've already overshot this podcast by like 19 times that we were supposed
Yeah,
to
I
do
think
it.
this is
This is an Ashutosh Gavarkar movie.
Yes. So we will see you next time. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
if you have a director that we should see, please write it in the
Yes.
comments below.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank
bye
you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
And in true style, cut.